Hello guys, in this video we're gonna show you how to hide a column or a row in some Excel file. So let's assume we have a table here of three columns, like maybe 13 rows, and you want to hide, for example, column F. All what you need to do is to go to column F, click on it, and then right-click and choose hide. And now, as you see, only two columns appears. And there will be like a bulge here appears in the Excel sheet showing that there is something hidden. If you want to unhide it and see it back, just to go to this bulge until an equal sign appears, and just right click again and choose unhide. Similarly, we can do that for rows as well. Let's assume we want to hide this row, June row. So we can go to row 14, which is this row, and again, left click, right click, hide. Now you can see we go from May to July directly. Again, you're gonna see a bulge here. And if you come to this bulge, an equal sign will show up. That means there is something hidden there. If you wanna unhide it and see it back, right click, unhide. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching and see you in another video. Bye-bye.